Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Clixtell for Google Ads. What is Google Ads? Google Ads is the single most popular PPC advertising system in the world. The ads platform enables businesses to create ads that appear on Google's search engine and other Google properties. Users bid on keywords and pay for each click on their ads in Google Ads, which works on a pay-per-click premise. When a user conducts a search, Google looks through its pool of ads advertisers and selects a few winners to appear in the premium ad space on the search results page. Clixtell Call Tracking. Clixtell's call tracking software reveals which keywords, campaigns, and ads drive into calls and conversions. Measure all phone calls from all your marketing channels, online and offline. Watch and record your customers' full journey from search to click and call. Learn everything about your campaign effectiveness and optimize digital marketing to increase profit. Our Call Analytics intuitive and simple dashboard lets you know which campaigns, keywords, and channels are driving phone calls and leads, making it easy for you to focus only on what's really converting. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads and Bing Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Clixtell provides 24/7 click fraud detection, automated click fraud protection, video screen recorder, conversion intelligence, click-to-call ads tracking and recording, refund claim reports. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.